Hi you guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel, and in this episode we're gonna grill lobster tails, baked potato and salad. This amazing salad. So I cannot wait to show it to you. And I'm at the beach, it's at the west coast, and how amazing today is. Look at this beautiful sky. Thanks God for this beautiful sky. I'm so amazed. So beautiful, hot day, a little bit windy, but we love it. Look how gorgeous it is. The ocean is amazing.
So while the boys get in the charcoal, I'm gonna start cooking.
I'll get into the lobster later, but first I wanna start with the baked potato. So sunny outside, you can see my reflection in the foil. We're gonna have foil and potato ready to wash. All we're gonna do is just wrap the potato into the foil. Just gonna wrap the potato, wrap into the foil. Like that, and it's so easy. All you do, you just throw this into a fire and we have amazing baked potatoes. And the last one there.
Charcoals are ready, so we're gonna start baking the potato.
So first we're gonna put a potato and it's gonna bake. While the potato is gonna bake, I'm gonna start with the
Lobster and salad. Corn and kidney bean salad. It's a festive side dish with juicy and sweet corn.
Okay, now I'm gonna start with this amazing salad. We're gonna need a pound of corn. Here I have a red beans, kidney beans, and I already drained and washed them. There. Red bell pepper. I'm gonna slice it.
That's what I like about red bell pepper. Color, sweetness, and that crunch. Just diced.
One jalapeno.
Diced.
I'm gonna add 2 avocado.
Just diced avocado in the shell and then spoon it out into a salad bowl. Just like that. I love how avocado gives this buttery flavor into the salad.
I'm gonna add 1 lime juice. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper. There. And for dressing, I'm using avocado oil. Oh yeah. There we go.
It looks so yummy and delicious. Can't wait to try this.
So you can add to this salad mango, parsley, cilantro, basil, whatever you desire. Today I want to make a simple and easy way. Don't feel like to add anything, so let's try. So delicious guys. So next we're gonna start with lobster.
And the star of the show, lobster tail.
And before I start with the lobsters, we're gonna cut the back of the lobsters with the scissors. just like that, so it will be easier to eat with the scissors. There. So I'm gonna get a foil, and what we're gonna do, get screwed just like that. So when the lobster bake, it's just easier to eat. So what I did, I just opened the shell and then just put a butter, just like that. So when the butter melts, it goes into a meat and it's gonna be so delicious. So we're gonna wrap this. Okay. So I'm gonna finish wrapping this as well, and we're gonna bake them. So that's how you try if the potato is ready. You get a knife and just poke the knife, and if it goes through and you can feel it's tender, then it's ready. Tender?
Yep.
So the potato is ready, the salad is ready, and we're gonna start baking the lobsters. It's gonna take about 15 minutes to bake them. Look at these lobsters. They're all done. So here's the potato, and I add butter to the potato. Look how amazing it is. Salad, and we're gonna add a lobster, and we're gonna eat it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video. Please leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe. What an amazing day we have, and the food is so delicious. I love lobster tails, especially when we grill outside and eat outside at the beach, enjoying sunshine. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.